Have you ever dreamed of making your very own mobile app? Perhaps you have a brilliant idea for a game or a helpful tool. Many people think that building an app is very difficult and requires years of learning complicated code, but I have fantastic news. You can build an app much more easily than you think without writing any code at all. Today we're going to explore the amazing world of no-code app development. This is a wonderful way for anyone to become an app creator. No-code tools are designed to be friendly and simple, like building with colorful toy blocks. We will be looking at a fantastic tool called Niotron. Niotron is a great place for beginners to start their app-making journey. Our big challenge today is to see if we can get you started on building a very simple app in about 10 minutes. In this guide, I will walk you through each step. We will learn how to set up your first project in Niotron. Then, we will have fun designing what your app looks like. After that, we will add some simple actions to make your app do something. We will also see how to test your app to make sure it works. Finally, we will talk about how you can share your new creation, so get ready to unlock your creativity and become an app builder. Let's begin. It's simpler than you think. No-code app building is a way to create software applications without needing to write traditional computer programming code. Instead, you use tools that have a visual interface. It's like drawing a picture or arranging furniture in a room. You move things around with your mouse and the tool does the coding part in the background for you. This approach is brilliant for beginners. No-code platforms lower the barrier to entry, meaning more people can join in and create. You can get results much faster, which is very encouraging. The real magic of many no-code tools lies in their drag-and-drop functionality. You choose the parts you want from a box of pre-made app parts and drag them onto your app's screen. You can easily change their size, color, and position. With no code, you become the director of your app. You are in control of the creative process from start to finish. It's an exciting way to turn your thoughts and ideas into something real and interactive that can run on a phone. Now, let's talk a bit more about Niotron. Niotron is a no-code platform packed with tools to build your own Android apps. It's designed to be friendly for beginners without any technical background. One of the great things about Niotron is that you can start using it for free. You can explore its features, follow tutorials, and see if it's the right tool for you. It also has a community and resources like guides and forums. Niotron helps you make complex things feel simple. Building an app involves many different parts. Niotron provides visual ways to handle all of these tasks. For adding actions and logic to your app, Niotron uses a system of blocks. These are like puzzle pieces that you connect together. This block-based approach was made famous by tools like Scratch from MIT. Niotron brings this simplicity to mobile app development, making it accessible to everyone. Are you ready to begin your exciting app-making adventure? Fantastic! The first step is to get set up on Niotron. Open your web browser and go to the Niotron website. Look for an option to sign up or create an account. Provide an email address and choose a password. Once your account is created, log into the Niotron platform. You will see a dashboard where you can manage all your app projects. To start building our first app, create a new project. Give your new app project a name. Once you have typed in the name, click Create or OK. Your new app project is created. You now have a blank canvas. See? That was really fast, probably less than 2 minutes. Step 2. Designing your app's look. This is where you get to be creative and decide how your app will look. Think of it as painting a canvas, but digitally. This is called designing the user interface or UI. The UI is crucial because it determines how users will interact with your app. The UI is everything that the user sees and interacts with on the screen. It's the buttons they press, the text they read, and the images they see. In Niotron, you will find a special area called the Designer view. This is your playground for creating the visual elements of your app. It will show you a representation of a phone screen. This helps you visualize how your app will look on an actual device. On one side of the Designer view, Niotron provides a palette of components. These components are the building blocks of your app's interface. These are all the different building blocks you can use for your app's interface. From buttons to text fields, each component has a unique function. To add an element to your app screen, click on it in the palette and drag it onto the phone screen preview. It's as simple as drag and drop. Let's try adding a button and a label to our app. These are basic elements but essential for user interaction. Find the button component in the palette and drag it onto the screen. Buttons are crucial for user actions. Next, find the label component and drag that onto the screen. Labels are great for displaying text information. Once the components are on the screen, you can select them one by one. This allows you to customize each element individually. When a component is selected, you will see its properties on another side of the screen. These properties let you tweak the appearance and behavior of the component. You can change these to customize your app. Adjust the size, color, text, and more to fit your design vision. For our simple app, select the button and change its text property to Click Me. This will make it clear what the button does. Then select the label and change its text property to Hello World. This is a classic first step in app development. You can also try changing the font size or text color if you feel adventurous. Customizing these elements can make your app more visually appealing. Remember, for your first app, keeping it simple is a good idea. Complexity can come later as you become more comfortable with the tools. In just a few minutes, you have designed the look of your app. It's amazing how quickly you can bring your ideas to life. It's starting to feel real, isn't it? Your app is taking shape and soon it will be ready for the world to see. Step 3. Making your app do things. Adding brains, 3 minutes. So far, our app looks nice with its button and label, but it doesn't actually do anything yet. It's like having a beautifully designed car with no engine. It looks great, but it's not going anywhere. We need to give our app some brains. This means adding functionality so that it can respond to user actions. In Niotron, this is done in a separate area called the Blocks Editor. This is where the magic happens. Click on the tab or button that takes you to the Blocks Editor. This will open up a new workspace for you to start adding logic to your app. You will see a blank workspace with different categories of blocks on the side. These blocks are like puzzle pieces that you can fit together to create functionality. We want our app to do something when the Click Me button is pressed. This is where we start adding interactivity. Click on the Button 1 category in the Blocks palette. This will show you all the blocks related to Button 1. Find the block that says when Button 1. Click Do and drag it onto your workspace. This block will trigger an action when the button is clicked. This block means when someone clicks on Button 1, then do whatever I put inside here. It's like giving your app a set of instructions to follow. Now we need to tell the app what to do inside that block. This is where we define the action that will happen when the button is clicked. Click on the Label 1 category in the Blocks palette. This will show you all the blocks related to Label 1. Look for a block that allows you to set the text of Label 1. This block will let us change the text displayed in the label. Drag this block and snap it inside the do part of the when Button 1. Click block. This connects the action to the button click event. Go to the Text Blocks category and find a blank text block. This block will hold the text we want to display. Drag this text block and connect it to the Set Label 1. Text to block. This will allow us to specify the text that appears in the label. Inside this text block, type your message, for example, button clicked. Hooray! This is the message that will be displayed when the button is clicked. And that's it. You've just programmed your first app interaction. Congratulations! Your app now has some basic functionality. It can respond to user input and display a message. It's a very logical and visual way to program, without actually writing any lines of text-based code. This makes it accessible to everyone. This block-based approach makes it easy for beginners to understand programming concepts. It's a great way to start your journey into the world of app development. Step 4. Testing your awesome creation. See it live, 1 minute. This is a very exciting moment. You have designed your app screen, and you have told your button what to do using the blocks. Now it is time to test your app and see it working in real time. Niotron makes testing very easy and quick. Download the Niotron Companion app from the Google Play Store on your phone. Open the Niotron Companion app and connect it to your project using a QR code or text code. In just a few seconds, you should see the app you designed appear on your phone's screen. Tap the Click Me button and see if the text changes. Congratulations, you have successfully built and tested your first working app. Step 5. Sharing your app with the world. Nearly there, 1 minute. Your app works. You have designed it, added functionality, and tested it on your phone. Now you might be wondering how you can share this amazing creation with your friends or family. Niotron allows you to export or build your app into an APK file. Look for an export or build option in the Niotron menu. Niotron will compile your app and provide you with a download link for the APK file. You can transfer this APK file to any Android phone and install it. Top tips and next steps. You're an app maker now. Massive congratulations. You have successfully walked through the steps to build a very simple mobile app in roughly 10 minutes using a no-code tool like Niotron. This is no small feat, and you should be incredibly proud of yourself. You've learned how to set up a project, design an interface, add basic logic with blocks, test your app, and even export it. These are the foundational skills that will serve you well as you continue to explore app development. This is a fantastic start to your app development journey. The skills you've acquired today are just the beginning. My first pro tip for you is to always start simple, just like we did today. Simplicity is key when you're just starting out. Don't try to build a huge, complicated app on your first attempt. It can be overwhelming and may lead to frustration. Begin with small, achievable projects to build your confidence and skills gradually. Each small project you complete will add to your knowledge and experience. My second tip is to make full use of the learning resources available. There is a wealth of information out there to help you. Niotron and other similar platforms usually have excellent tutorials, documentation, and community forums. These resources are invaluable for troubleshooting and learning new techniques. Watch video guides, read through how-to articles, and don't be afraid to ask questions in the forums if you get stuck. The community is there to support you. Learning one new component or one new block at a time is a great approach. This way, you won't feel overwhelmed and can master each element thoroughly. For example, next you could try to make an app that plays a sound when you click a button, or an app that lets the user type something in and then displays it. These small projects are fun and educational. Small steps lead to big progress. Each small victory is a step towards becoming a proficient app developer. Remember that learning any new skill takes time and patience. Don't rush the process. Enjoy the journey. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Each milestone is worth acknowledging and will keep you motivated. Keep practicing, keep experimenting with new ideas, and keep building. The more you practice, the better you'll become. The app world is now open to you. Embrace the possibilities and enjoy the creative process.